Welcome to this session on law exam preparation, focusing specifically on the LLB exit exam blueprint for Ethiopian law students. Exam experts use this blueprint to design your tests. By following this series, you are mastering each specific objective, which is the best guarantee to pass the National Law Exit Exam. Today, we are breaking down Objective 1, identifying the rules pertaining to the proof of marriage, irregular union, and filiations. Let's get started. First, let's look at the proof of marriage. Under Article 29 of the Revised Family Code of Ethiopia, registration is mandatory regardless of the form of celebration. The primary means of proof is the certificate of marriage. This certificate is issued by the officer of civil status and is conclusive evidence of the celebration. But what happens if there is no certificate? We look for possession of status. Under Article 96, a man and a woman have possession of status when they mutually consider themselves and live as spouses, and are treated as such by family and community. The multiple-choice question trap. Under the Revised Family Code of Ethiopia, possession of status proves the celebration of marriage, not just the appearance. This was a point of confusion under the old code, but the new law intended to require proof of celebration. Next is the irregular union. Unlike a formal marriage, the multiple-choice question trap here is that the act of notoriety used under the Civil Code has been removed. For an irregular union, possession of status is the only mode of proof under Article 106. This requires that the man and woman behave as married people and are considered as such by their family and community. Once proven, a rebuttable presumption arises that an irregular union exists. Finally, let's cover filiation. Maternal filiation is established by the sole fact of birth under Article 124. No formal proof is required beyond establishing that the woman gave birth. Paternal filiation is primarily proved by the record of birth under Article 154. The multiple-choice question trap. You can only use possession of status of the child if you first prove that a birth certificate was never issued or was lost, destroyed, or stolen. You cannot simply choose to use status if a record exists. Let's summarize the essentials for Objective 1. Marriage is proved by a certificate or possession of status showing celebration. Irregular union is proved only by possession of status, involving behavior plus family and community recognition. Filiation is proved by the birth record or possession of status. That completes Objective 1. If this focused breakdown of the LLB blueprint helped you, please subscribe, like, and share this video to law students who are going to take the LLB exam. Following this series is your roadmap to success. Next time, we will look at Objective 2, Mechanisms to Resolve Disputes. Stay tuned and happy studying.